From this to this. 5 minutes, a few products. This is my skin at 45. Dry patches, under-eye hollows, hooded eyes, a few wrinkles, some jowls and marionette lines. Real skin, let's work with it. First, this little miracle, Glow Primer made by Mitchell in Peach Pearl. Soft, warm, illuminating. It gives your skin this healthy, radiant glow even on its own. For mature, drier skin, this is everything. Just a small amount all over and already you look more alive. Foundation next. Made by Mitchell Build Liquid. Lightweight, buildable, really good coverage. And today no concealer, I'm using 2 shades to sculpt instead. The lighter shades LV7 goes where light naturally hits, under the eyes, center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, and along the jawline. This brightens and lifts. The darker shade, EB5, adds depth along the hairline, cheekbones and sides of the nose. Then I blend everything with my damp Sheglam makeup sponge. The key here, don't drag it, just gentle tapping motions. The sponge gives that seamless skin-like finish. Look at that. Smooth, even, healthy. Now this gorgeous palette, made by Mitchell Curve Case, lighter than light. Cream blushes and bronzers. I'm trying it for the first time today, so I'm going in with 2 deepest shades. One as a blush, one as a bronzer. Sweeping them high on the cheeks and lightly around the forehead with my Real Techniques contour brush. Quick, easy, 2-in-1 color. Done. For the eyes, one single eyeshadow. ColourPop SuperShock in Frog. A shimmery cool tone light pink with serious sparkle. If you have hooded eyes like me, a shimmery shade on the entire lid makes them look so much bigger and more open. Applying straight with my finger for maximum payoff. That shimmer is everything. And my favorite step, a bold purple liner from the Handaiyan Pen Set. Vibrant color is my little signature. It just makes me feel better through the whole day. The felt tip is perfect for a wing. I do the wing first, then the top line, then fill everything in. Simple, quick, and it makes your eyes pop. Brows, nice and simple. I brush them up first with a spoolie, then 1 coat of Brow Fixer Fibre Gel by Beauty Bay in brown. It colors them, lifts them, and the tiny microfibers make them look thicker and fuller. That's it, brushed up brows change everything. Now my favorite mascara trick for mature lashes, and this is the only thing that actually works for me. See how my lashes grow straight down. I used to reach for the color first, but not anymore. Here's what I do instead. First coat of mascara, Lancôme Lash Idôle Curl Goddess. Then I wait. Let it dry completely. Then I take the curler gently. I don't press hard, we don't want the lashes sticking. Just hold it, and when you open it again, do it slowly and carefully. We are not pulling or damaging anything. But look at that curl. See how lifted they are. 1 more coat of mascara to set it and done. This trick changed my lash game completely. And the lip moment I've been waiting for. ColourPop Hydra Popping Fruit Punch. A water-based stain with a glossy finish. Beautiful, bold red, hydrating, and it smells absolutely delicious. One swipe gives you that confident, juicy red lip. Stunning. Honestly, this alone could carry a whole look. Hair down. Glasses on, and there she is. Easy everyday makeup, but not boring, not earthy, not beige. A little vibrant, a little you. Because some color in your day really does make it better. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!